Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti, and today is gonna be all about teenage skincare routine. I'm 27, but I was once 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I was a teenager and I did many mistakes. When it came to skincare, I paid the price. The mistakes were like buying too many products even without knowing how they're gonna help my skin. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. Then squeezing my pimple which left dark spots. Nothing's gonna happen. Then switching skincare products because I didn't give them enough time. Just I expected to result in like 3 days. It's not gonna happen. Skincare needs time. And then I tried those nuskas like using toothpaste as spot treatment. But I learned my lessons, but it came in a hard way. So what I can say, I learned so much and my skin has improved with time, and I wish I knew the things I know now. So yeah, let's start with my morning skincare routine. What it would look like if I were a teenager now. If I were a teenager now, I would have started my skincare routine in the morning with a gentle cleanser, cream-based non-foaming cleanser. Even these days, I've been using toner as cleanser. I made a video about it, and that method has been working really well for me. But there are people who told me in the comment section that they need to wash their face with a cleanser or with water. So even that can be okay if you are using a very gentle cleanser. Even you can wipe your skin or just wash your face with water, that would do. But I would have used a gentle cream based cleanser. Cleanse your sorry, Cleanse Me or Moist, Neutrogena extra gentle cleansers. These are the few examples. But if you have acne, then you might find salicylic acid based cleansers or any medicated cleansers to be more helpful. Consult a doctor for that. But don't use a cleanser that feels too stripping on your skin. Then I would have gone in with this toner. I mean, I would have used a calming toner because I would have been out all day in the sun, so I need to soothe my skin. So I think I would have used a toner with niacinamide, green tea, centella. That would be nice. And then I would have kept the toner in the freezer for the extra coolness, and that made me feel like more awake in the morning. And then sunscreen. That's all. You don't have to use moisturizer during the summer. You can straight go with sunscreen, but during the winter you might need a moisturizer before sunscreen, whatever your skin feels fine with. In the summer I would have used just sunscreen, and in the winter I would have used a moisturizer, then I would have used a sunscreen. So yeah, it would have been my skincare routine. And don't forget to apply sunscreen on your body too. So yeah, it's simple. That's all. You don't need much in the morning. You can skip moisturizer if you want to, but if you're not going out, if you live in a house that don't get much sunlight, then I think you can skip sunscreen there. But if your room gets plenty of sunlight, then you have to use sunscreen. And when you're gonna go to college, school, you have to use sunscreen. Okay, now let me show you how my teenage nighttime skincare routine would look like. So I would have used a first cleanser, be it micellar water or cleansing oil or cleansing milk. And yeah, just to make sure I'm cleansing my skin properly, here I'm using Neutrogena cleansing oil. I mean, anything that works as first cleanser, and it just feels relaxing. It's like taking the day off my skin. But if your skin gets fungal acne from oil, do not use cleansing oil, use micellar water. If you think just one foaming cleanser is doing the job for you, taking all the dirt, sunscreen, makeup from your face, then go stick with just one cleanser. But I would have used two cleansers, like first and second cleanser. And for the second cleanser, I would have used a foaming cleanser, something that is effective at cleansing without being stripping. I would have massaged it on my skin for like 60 seconds before rinsing it off. And yeah, that's all. That would have been my cleansing routine. So about face mask or scrubs. About face mask, this is not a fundamental step. You might use it, you might not use it, but do not use face mask every day. Use it like once or twice if you have to, but you easily can skip this step. But if you have to use it, you want to use it, if you have oily skin, then you can try something clay based, and if you have dry skin, you can try something nourishing, and if you have dehydrated skin, you better invest in a good essence rather than mask. So then about scrubbing, you don't need scrubbing because your cell turnover rate is quite good at this point, trust me. But if you really want to scrub, if you are using a physical scrub, go for gentle granules, use it once in a week. And chemical exfoliants, to be very honest, you don't need it. But if you have like pimples, then you can try salicylic acid. If you have whiteheads, textures, you can use AHA. Use these things as a treatment product, not a maintenance product, because your cell turnover rate is quite good, like I told you. And don't overdo it, chemical exfoliants or any exfoliants, because over exfoliation can lead to damaged skin barrier, which is gonna be a very bad thing. And then, do you need serum? No, you don't need serum unless you have skin issues. But if you want to, because see, when I was a teenager, sometimes I got dull skin, I had patchy skin, so for that I would have used something niacinamide base or scintilla base, a soothing skin barrier repairing serum that you can use, but nothing too fancy or nothing too much. Or you can skip serum altogether because it is not a like must have step in your routine. But a moisturizer is truly a must have step. Use moisturizer every night, be it dull skin, oily skin, or what, dehydrated skin, dry skin. Use moisturizer. There is a perfect moisturizer for everyone. Do not skip moisturizer, alright. Then use a lip balm and a body lotion. That's all. So if your skincare routine or a skincare product is working well for you, stick to that. Don't change skincare routine or skincare product too much, because your skin is already going through hormonal changes and you never know what might trigger your skin. So play safe. So the thing is, your skin is changing, so take it easy, take it gentle. And if you have any issues like acne, it is better to consult a doctor. And see, there are many things in the market, you're gonna be very tempted to use those things, but you don't need much because your skin is already at a very good state. But like I told you, if you have issues like acne, or if you get a lot of whiteheads, blackheads, or you have texture skin, dull skin, you truly think that skincare can help you out, then do your research. And yeah, I hope skincare helps you out there. And one thing, diet is very important. I neglected my diet when I was a teenager. When I was growing up, I felt I was invincible, nothing can touch me, nothing can harm me. But yeah, diet is very important. Try to eat healthy as much as possible, drink lots of water. These are like old advices, but these are worth it. So please do that. Wear sunscreen as much as you can. Use moisturizer and use gentle cleansers. And if you have breakouts, pimples, then you can use cleansers with salicylic acid. And there are a few medicated cleansers for acne. You can consult a doctor to get those things. Those things might help you out. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And just have fun growing up. And yeah, that's all. See you soon. Bye bye.